For any of you who have watched my off the balcony videos, you'll know that what you should be looking at right now is a nice clear view of Mount Diablo. But what we're looking at instead is the smoke from all of the fires in California that have been going on for the last week. Right now where we are, normally our air quality index would be about a 50, which is clear and crisp and healthy. And right now where we are in San Ramon, California, our air index quality is 286, and when it reaches 290 we ramp up to the next level of hazardous. For those of you who have asked, the fires are about 100 miles north of where we are, and we're not in danger of being burnt up like all of those other poor folks who have been, but this is what we've been putting up with here in the Bay Area for the last week or so. So I just thought I'd show you we're fine where we are, although all of the schools have been closed for the last 2 days, and there doesn't seem to be any relief until sometime towards the middle of next week, maybe Wednesday or Thursday, when they said it might rain and that should clear things out. So for right now, this is what we're putting up with. So I just thought I'd let y'all know. See ya.